Hi friends, welcome to another extreme cleaning video. I am so excited to do this video today. My dining room is a disaster and I desperately need to work on it. I'm very embarrassed to show you how bad it is, but I will show you just a quick clip on how bad it is, and then hopefully this video can be motivating for you to hopefully clean a disaster in your room or in your house if you have a disaster in your house. We're all real people. We all have those days, we all have those moments, we have those weeks, we have those months and years for some people, like myself. Anyways, you guys, I hope this video is gonna be very motivating, and let's just get right to the awful mess and then hopefully a successful cleaning video. All right, guys, this is the mess on top of my dining table. It is bad. All right, now just to get it all cleaned up and organized and give my dining room a purpose again. I'm a little embarrassed to say that I have my beauty stuff out on my table still from when I did my beauty item declutter. But now I'm gonna put it all away. I'm just gonna use this white basket to put random stuff in so my husband and I can sort through it in a little bit. I just want to get it out of the way so I can just get the rest of it cleaned up. And Riley's over in the corner wiping down the table for me. There's so many little things that just fell back here that I just paid no attention to, and I'm so embarrassed to admit that, but that's true. I just totally ignored the fact that they fell back there. But now I'm gonna take a stand and clean it all up and get rid of the mess, because all it does is just adds the stress to me. It makes me more anxious, it gives me bigger anxiety problems, more depression, and more frustration. And I need to be a better mom for my kids by not having those happen for me. So I need to have a clean home so I could also show my kids how to have a clean home too. I mean, no matter what, I am an example whether I like it or not, and I'm going to choose to be the best example I can be for my children. So right here, I'm just wrapping up my glass bunnies that were out for Easter in springtime. I'm just wrapping them up, and I'm gonna put them away in my spring decor box that's underneath the table right now, and I'm gonna put that in the garage after I'm done with this video. I'm just using the Method Glass and Surface Spray on my windows. The scent Waterfall, I get it from Grove Collaborative, is my favorite scent of the glass and surface spray, and the only place I could find it is at the Grove Collaborative website. Now I'm going to use the Method Wood for Good Daily Cleaner in the scent of almond or sweet almond. I really love this scent, and some people don't like it, but I love it. It just smells so good. I'm looking for an essential oil that smells just like it so I can put it in my essential oil diffuser, but it smells so good. And there's a little spot in the corner over there that I'm going to try to put like the Method degreaser spray and the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda scrub or baking soda cream on it, and I'm just gonna scrub it there and let it sit there for about 15 minutes. All right, now to pick up the mess on the floor. Even my dogs are leaving toys all over the place. So this is my new cleaning caddy. I got the caddy itself from Target, and the Target dollar spot for $5. I love the color, and it's just a perfect size for me for all my cleaning essentials that I like to use frequently. I'm just using the Method Wood for Good spray on the hutch as well. I have been meaning to reorganize this and declutter this section for a very long time. Again with the Method Wood for Good spray. Much better. The big white and purple box is just my Scentsy Rep stuff. They sent that to me when I started selling Scentsy, so I'm going to be doing a video shortly on what is inside of it. The white papers are just papers of my husband's shooting practice, and he did a really good job. So right here I just went back to the spot and I sprayed it with the Wood for Good on top of everything that was sitting on there for about 15 minutes, and it just wiped right off. I'm so happy I got that off of there. And I'm just gonna redo my flower arrangement, make it look nice. It's not real flowers because I kill flowers. And here I am just vacuuming up all the nonsense that fell on the floor. Alright, so here is how my dining room is looking now. I think it looks so much better than it did earlier today. And I'm very happy I got it done because it was really driving me crazy. There's the box of Scentsy stuff I'll do a video on very soon. Yeah, as I was saying, you know, when it's messy like that, it just adds to the stress. It makes people more depressed and very unhappy in their own home, and that's where you want to be the happiest. So I think it's very important to keep it tidy and however it makes you happy. And here it is right there, looking better. And that box is to go to my friend Stephanie across the country. Alright you guys, I hope this video was very motivating and fun. Sorry about the lighting. I have horrible lighting in my house for some really weird reason, just horrible lighting. And you know I record from my phone. Eventually I'll get a nice camera and a lighting system or something that may help. Hopefully that will make my videos a lot more, I don't know, just look better. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please stay and subscribe and like this channel because I really need more friends. I really enjoy making videos for you guys because not only am I motivating you, but by me motivating you is actually motivating me. So I really enjoy this. So stay tuned for my next extreme cleaning video, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!